Hey everyone and welcome. My name is Jason Rinehart, brand ambassador for light painting brushes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a light painting portrait using the light painting brushes fiber optics, and we're going to capture this on a cell phone. My daughter Jasmine is with us. She's going to be helping us with the light painting portrait, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about the iPhone that we're using.
The phone that we're going to be using is the 14 Pro Max, and the app we're going to be using is Slow Shutter Cam.
So the tool that we're going to be using to create this light painting portrait is the purple fiber optic from Light Painting Brushes, the universal connector from Light Painting Brushes, and a Coast TX9R flashlight.
The settings that we're going to be using in the Slow Shutter Cam app are: the capture mode is light trails, the light sensitivity is set to full, the shutter speed is at bold, and the ISO is as low as it will go to 32.
So the first thing that we need to do is we need to explain to our model that they're going to have to stay as still as possible. You're going to have to stay as still as possible.
Okay.
So now with the lights on, I'm going to run through a demonstration of how we're going to create this light painting brushes portrait with the fiber optic. What we want to do is start at the back of your model's head, swoop right around the front of them, and then down the body. So this is what it's going to look like in real time. We're going to start at the back of our model's head, and we're going to move right around the front of the face there. Now you notice I didn't touch her face with the fiber optic. We want that light to cast onto our model. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off, and I'm going to run through this light painting portrait in real time. And that's how easy it is to use a cell phone, Light Painting Brushes fiber optics to create a portrait. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Hit the subscribe.
And what do we tell them, Jasmine?
Get out there and light paint.
Now get out there and light paint.